Welcome to another Pronto Pointer tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to submit a quote for a burning processing service in Pronto. Let's jump over to the burning page to get started. Once you're here, click the Browse Files button to upload your drawing file. Then, select the cutting process you need performed. Select your material grade, thickness, and enter in the quantity you need. Save your changes. Review your request and make sure everything looks correct. Then click Submit Quote. Your quote has now been submitted and will appear on the Burning Quotes page once it is ready. Click the View Burning Quotes button to see your previous quotes, or start a new one. We hope you found this helpful, and we'll see you back here for another Pronto Pointer soon. Thank you for watching.